Hey everyone, it's time for the latest GoSkills Excel challenge. This month's challenge was submitted by our community member, Ilgar Zabariev. Follow along and see if you can solve it yourself. Hello and welcome to this month's Excel challenge. In this challenge, we'll explore how to create dynamic drop-down lists using data validation, named ranges, and the indirect function. Now let's take a look at our worksheet and you'll see what we're looking for. Inside, you'll find a table with state names: Arizona, Texas, Colorado, Washington, Massachusetts, and Michigan, and lists of cities associated with each one underneath. Your challenge includes the following steps. Create a drop-down list in cell L4 that displays the list of states. Define named ranges for each state, where each name refers to the list of cities beneath that state in its column. Use data validation in cell M4 to create a dependent drop-down that shows only the cities belonging to the state selected in cell L4. And ensure that cell M4 resets automatically if you choose a different state in cell L4, keeping the interface logical and clean. So, through this challenge, you'll learn how to apply dynamic data validation techniques, set up and manage named ranges, use the indirect function to link dropdowns, and build user-friendly interfaces that react to changes in input. So, are you ready? Download the file, open it up in Excel, and dive into this practical challenge. Good luck! Do you have what it takes to complete this challenge? To get started, click the link below to download all the files you need. Let us know how you're doing in the comments section. Or, even better, join the GoSkills Slack channel and chat with other Excel pros about your progress. Link in the description. If you'd like to know the solution to this challenge, hit that subscribe button and get notified when the next video drops with all the step-by-step instructions on how to solve it. Good luck, everybody!